So before getting into the SQL Server Management Studio, let me show you multiple. So we have a server called as laptop 8P901QS is a server name, and under this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So under this server name. So basically, before getting into this server name, so we need to know the schema. So under each server there are multiple databases. Under each database there are multiple database objects. So database objects are nothing but tables, views, triggers, and so on. We get to know about the multiple database objects upcoming class in upcoming sessions. So today I'm going to teach you about how to create a database and how to create a table in SQL Server. So let's start here. So the syntax for creating a database is create database db14. Let's say the database name is db14. It can be anything. It can be your name also. So my database name is db14. So in this way I can create this database by this syntax, and when I execute that, the command completes successfully, which means the database is created. When you refresh it, you get to see here db14. So this way, so how can we use it? Use db14. So use db14 is a syntax for using this database, for using the database. So use db14. So in this way we can use this present database here. So for this we can even create table in SQL Server. So create table. So it can be of different names. Table 1, name, varchar 20. Location as varchar 20. So in this way we can create different table names. So the basic syntax is here is create table 1. Table 1 is the table name, and emp name is column name, and here I declared the data type of this. So emp name has a data type of varchar. So basically varchar is which allows character data type. So we get to know about these data types in the upcoming sessions. So as of now I'm just showing you how to create a table. So we are going to have this table 1 with the column name, sample name, and employee location. So this is how we can create the employee table 1. So when we execute it, command complete successfully. So when you select statement, select star is nothing but data, select data from table 1. When we select data from table 1, we get to have a table data which is having no data. So this is how we can create a database, and we can create a table. One more example: create table 2. It can be of name with varchar data type, and 20 is nothing but its size. So don't use column names which are standard. So name is something standard, so just try to use them names which doesn't show the blue mark. So varchar names, and it can be department number can be integer data type. So this way you can create multiple tables. and we again use the same syntax. Select star is nothing data from table 2. So in this way we can select or create the tables and view the table whether it is created or not. So when we go to DB14, we can see the tables. In the tables we can see the table 1 and table 2. So this is how we create the data structure using these syntaxes. And on the next session we get to know about how we can insert the data in these tables, and how can we update the tables, how can we delete the tables, how can we alter the data structures as per our requirement. Thank you.